Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in this video I'll be unboxing the TSS Multipoint door handles with 48mm PZ 200mm screw centres. As you can see, the product is supply boxed with all the components inside individually bagged. This is to avoid any damage in transit. In the box you will receive your handle set, plus an accessory kit which includes 2 removable spring cassettes, solid spindle and 2 sets of fixings, one long and one short. The handles are available in black, as you can see in the video, white, polished brass, polished chrome and silver. The polished brass, polished chrome and silver are all salt spray tested to 240 hours, and all of the handles are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. I'll go over the measurements with you now. So you've got your 48mm PZ, your 200mm screw centres. Top screw to centre of the spindle cutout is 96mm. Base of the euro to centre of the bottom fixing is 32mm. Overall length of the handle is 250mm by 34mm. Thank you for watching.